Today we will see the differences between the most affordable AMD processors, the new Ryzen 5 3600 and the old one Ryzen 2600. Gamers every day are asking if they should spend $50 more on the Ryzen 3600 or just get the 2600. This video is for you. And remember, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe. Now let's begin to check all benchmarks.
You carry the blade of Leonidas. Act like it.
There's some ammo! Launching grenade! I got your back!
Converging at a single point in time. Yet, there is only one.
I'd heard of such things, yet I lived in a world without them. An underground world. I have no recollection of life before the blast.
There's only Metro, nothing else!
Everybody's got a purpose on this rock, and yours just happens to be being the goddamn best!
And kick some major ass.
You don't understand. The situation's worse than I thought. This may be a one-way ride.
We can't let Trinity get hold of this.
Let's think this through.
Do you realize the tragedy you have unleashed? The cleansing has begun. It falls to me now to stop it before it consumes us all.
The Empire, long united, must divide, and destiny be shaped by its champions.
The Ryzen 5 3600 is clearly the faster processor, and we love it for the solid performance it offers for gaming and productivity tasks. And for my opinion, the $50 more worth the upgrade. And remember, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe.